Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with MyBudgetBook easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, download and install the MyBudgetBook app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and create a new account or log in if you already have one. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard. To start budgeting, tap on the Add Income button. Enter your income sources, such as salary or freelance work. Specify the amount and frequency of each income source. Next, navigate to the Add Expense section. List all your regular expenses, such as rent, utilities, and groceries. Enter the amount and frequency for each expense. After entering your income and expenses, review the summary on the main dashboard. This summary gives you an overview of your total income, expenses, and remaining balance. You can categorize expenses for better tracking. To do this, go to the Categories section and create custom categories that suit your needs. Now, go back to your expenses and assign them to the relevant categories. Next, set budget limits for each category to control your spending. To set a budget, select the category, then tap on Set Budget. Enter your desired budget amount for that category. The app will notify you when you approach your budget limit. To track your spending, log your transactions regularly. Simply go to the Transactions tab and enter any expenses as they occur. Keep an eye on your budget status through the dashboard regularly. Adjust your budget as necessary to accommodate any changes in income or expenses. You can also generate reports to analyze your spending habits over time. To do this, navigate to the Reports section and select the time frame you want to review. This feature helps identify patterns and areas for improvement. Regularly check in with your budget to ensure you're staying on track. Make sure to update your budget each month based on any changes. With practice, using MyBudgetBook will help you manage your finances effectively. Keep refining your budgeting strategy as you learn more about your spending habits. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.